Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of top-notch products. Today, we have something truly exciting for all the pet owners out there. The Baboni Pet Door for Wall, a steel-framed, telescoping tunnel, double-flap dog and cat door that's not only durable but also incredibly secure. Now, let me tell you right away, this is the best cat-proof dog door you can find in the market. It's not just about convenience. It's about giving your furry friends the freedom they deserve while keeping your home safe and energy efficient. So, what makes the Baboni Pet Door stand out? Let's dive into its key features. 1. Sturdiness. This pet door is built to last. With a steel frame and aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, it's not only sturdy but also resistant to wear and tear. 2. Weatherproof. The double flap design provides exceptional weatherproofing. It keeps extreme weather conditions and drafts at bay, ensuring your home stays comfortable. Worried about installation? Don't be. The Baboni Pet Door comes with a cutout template and step-by-step instructions. Whether it's an interior or exterior wall, you can install it without a hassle. 4. Energy saving. One of the standout features is its energy efficiency. The double flaps and sturdy construction help conserve energy, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Now, let's talk about dimensions. The telescoping tunnel is designed to fit walls that are 4 3/4 to 7 1/4 inches thick. The flap opening measures 5 1/4 inches wide and 8 1/8 inches high, perfect for pets up to 12 pounds. Safety and security are paramount when it comes to pet doors. Baboni has you covered with an aluminum lock and fixed edge, working in tandem with the sliding panel. It ensures that only your pets have access to your home. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at what customers have to say about the Baboni Pet Door. As you can see, customers are raving about the product's durability, ease of installation, and energy-saving features. It's no wonder this pet door has received high ratings. If you have a larger pet or different needs, Baboni offers a variety of options to suit your requirements. Whether you need a larger size or want a different style, Baboni has you covered. So there you have it, folks, the Baboni Pet Door for Wall. A fantastic addition to any pet-friendly home. Give your pets the freedom they deserve while keeping your home secure and energy efficient. If you're interested in this product, you'll find a link in the description below to make your purchase. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and the latest product updates. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.